great day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Cee-s Tutorials. To those who already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. Please take time to watch my videos. If you like them, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and also smash the bell for you to be updated with all of my future tutorial videos. Alright, so today guys, I want to show you two of the free photo editing softwares I am using on my mobile phone to replace my photo backgrounds and also to create my thumbnails. I am enjoying it so far and I'm thinking you might too. So what are you waiting for? Check my tutorial out. I want to share it with you. Let us first discuss background eraser and the different tools we can utilize in this app. So of course you have to first launch the application, then load a photo you want to edit. You can crop the photo to the area you want to keep. Crop it as much as possible, guys. Click done afterwards. Now let us familiarize ourselves with the different tools and how to use them. First is the auto mode. It erases the area with similar color pixels. Magic mode detects edges automatically and will remove the area you don't want to keep. Manual mode, it erases only the area you will touch. In extract mode, blue marks the area to keep and red marks the area to remove. It also automatically detects edges. BG color, this will let you select the background brightness to polish your edits. Repair restores the area you want to keep. Zoom is of course to enlarge a specific area. Undo is for reversing the last action made, and redo is for restoring the last action made. Alright, so let me show you the actual editing process, guys. First, what we need to do is to launch background eraser. Then we have to load a photo. Once our photo is loaded, we can crop it to the area we want to keep for editing. Next part is the actual editing process. For this, I'm going to be using the auto and manual mode combined. Right, let me go ahead and choose the auto mode first. And let us remove all of the background with similar color pixels. Right here, and here, and here, and this part as well. And lastly, this part. Okay, and there's another one here. All right. Okay, let us now transition to the manual mode and erase all of the other background that's still here. So let me zoom my photo in order for me to see what else needs to be removed. You can zoom it by just pinching your screen face. And now I change the background color so it will be easier for me to see what else needs to be removed on the background. Alright, so there. I really enjoy using this application, guys, because it's so cool and really easy to use. Okay, oh by the way guys, this is how you can adjust the size of your eraser. So there, just have to move this blue dot in here to and fro. Alright, so okay, we're almost done on this side. Down right here. Okay, just needs a little more polishing. And we're good on this end. Now let us check the other side of the photo. Okay, so there, let's move on to this side right here. Alright. Okay, almost done. Later we will be polishing the edges. Alright, so we're almost done. There you go. There you go. So I guess we're good with this photo. Alright, so I don't see anything that needs to still be removed from the background. Okay, once you're satisfied with how your photo looks like, you can go ahead and just polish the edges. So let me adjust it to number 3. And there you go. It's good for saving. We're gonna save the photo now. And now let's launch photo layers. Load a background image. Okay, let me choose from the backgrounds in here. Alright, so once you have a background, you can also crop it to the area you just want to keep as a background. And when you're done, just click on OK. And there you go. Then let's add the photo that we just recently edited. Alright, so here, let's just place it wherever we want. So there. Let me just place it right over here. And so I'm gonna save it. Alright, let's okay, launch the photo again. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna crop it up to this area. And there you go. So let's see. Alright, so there. Then I'm gonna save it. And this is how my photo looks like. So there you go, guys. From this background to this background now. Thanks for watching.